actors being aware about the current scenario of our country's political system, there are many films based on politics coming up these days. But our actors were long back inspired to meddle with the system apparently in order to bring a change. There are many actors that turned politicians. Let's check out who made it and who didn't. Shatrughan Sinha took a break from the film industry and made way in politics with a bang by winning his first general elections in Patna Sahib. He has been a cabinet minister, head of culture and arts department in BJP, and since then has never looked back. A good click, we must say. Sanjay Dutt's entry into politics wasn't just a casual one. It created a roar among not only the industry but also the entire nation because, very much to the surprise of everyone, he did not join his sister's and late father's Congress party but followed the leader of Samajwadi Party, Amar Singh. Govinda joined politics in 2004 and was even successful in winning a few elections. But old habits die hard, and so Chi Chi could not help bunking parliament sessions and reporting late, thus losing a firm ground here too. He left politics in 2009 apparently to concentrate on films. Jaya Prada, the Tohfa girl, wasn't more famous with the films she did than in politics. She started with the Telugu Desam Party and left that to join Samajwadi Party in 2004. She happened to be constantly surrounded by controversies like her nude pictures distributed by a colleague member and then later being expelled from the party with allegations of infesting the party with capitalistic and communal forces, damaging its secular image. Well, Adharam Paji did not lag behind either. He joined the BJP in 2004 and more than the parliament sessions, he was part of the controversies that sprang up from his ironic remark that he should be elected dictator perpetuus to teach basic etiquette that democracy requires, and also for neglecting his duties as a member of parliament. Well, a Shahenshah of Bollywood is no less. Taking a short break from films, he tried his hand at politics, joining his old family friend Rajiv Gandhi's party Congress and gained the greatest victory margins in the general election history. Later, he left politics with another controversial statement calling politics a cesspool. Seems like our Bollywood stars are so accustomed to paparazzi and controversies that they couldn't help creating one in the political industry too. This is Yakuta Haji for Rajshri.com.